At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and egg, make profits. Light up, watching them gain, make profits. While I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And in case you didn't know, we are a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool in 2023. We're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto. We also have a futures trading program as well. We do day trading, swing trading, and also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everyone inside of True Trading Group. But we take that university level of curriculum and we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth easily over $5,000 a year on their own. These are tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator, trading views, charting software, the trade idea scanner, unusual options activity, dark pool data. All of this is included, so much more. I'll get into that later. Of course, you're going to get our courses. Of course, you're going to get all of our trade alerts, but you also guys get these tools. These tools give you more information to help you make better decisions and increase your chances of success. Unfortunately, most retail traders don't use them because they are so expensive. You also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, and supportive, successful community of traders that you're ever going to find, not to mention the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on roughly the last 4 years. If you're wondering who I am and why you should listen to anything we discuss on this channel, it's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own or sitting in Discord chats. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job out of college, where I was trained and went through a professional training program by other traders at the fund before they let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. But it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at TTG. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel with myself and other TTG Pro trading mods and special guest drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. We got 1 day left, guys. We got 1 day left in 2023. And of the 3 major indexes, the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P, there is one index left that has still not made a new all-time high. The Russell has also not made a new all-time high, but talking about the big 3, the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ. Dow and NASDAQ already made new all-time highs. This is actually the best year that the NASDAQ has had in 20 years. I'll say it again. This is the best year the NASDAQ has had in 20 years. The NASDAQ is up 44% this year alone. You understand how insane that is? Now, many of you might have thought that the best year that the NASDAQ has had was probably 2021. Because 2021, everything just went up, right? Well, here we are in 2023 when the world was supposed to end and there was going to be a Lehman Brothers moment and we were going to have a depression and World War III and the US dollar was going to lose its global reserve currency status. And everything else that was supposed to happen that everybody warned you about. All the fear mongers that convinced you to stay out of the markets, that convinced you to, even worse, sell because the world was coming to an end. Meanwhile, so many of you guys are on the sideline because you think that you can't do this, because you don't have the same amount of time as you once did when COVID was still a thing. Well, COVID is now a thing of the past. There is no more people working from home and people that are furloughed or lost their jobs And we actually saw firsthand in True Trading Group, we had thousands of people that joined True Trading Group during COVID, and then they went back to work and they thought maybe, you know what, I can't do this anymore because I can't be in front of my computer screen anymore. But now people are coming to the realization after going back to work, after listening to the fear mongers that were all over the internet, convincing people to stay out of the markets, when we very vocally and publicly in True Trading Group and on this YouTube channel, we're telling people that this is the greatest time to ever be involved in the markets, that you're making a huge mistake if you were going to sit on the sidelines and you're not going to be involved. We were telling people we were adding in our long-term portfolio in 2022, and we got stocks like Snowflake at $116. That's now up 80 or 90%. Meta, okay, that stock's up 200% this year. NVIDIA, that stock's up over 200% this year. AMD, that stock's up about 80 or 90% from where we were adding to these positions. Broadcom up 100% from where we were adding to the position. These are stocks that are up triple digits or near triple digits in just a matter of 1 year. And this is phenomenal wealth building opportunities that people are now beginning to realize. I either missed out on this entirely in 2023 and you're kicking yourself in the ass for it, but you're also realizing, and people are starting to realize, as we've seen thousands of members now come back to True Trading Group, because they're realizing that this entire platform, everything that True Trading Group exists for the average retail trader who has a full-time job. 82% of our over 10,000 members have a full-time job. They work over 40 hours a week, yet they are still able to take advantage of the trading and the opportunities that are in this market every single day. Not just because every single area of this market is filled with opportunities. It doesn't matter if you trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, crypto, futures, if you trading stocks or options. It doesn't matter what you trade, day trade, swing trade. There is opportunity every single corner of this market. I've never seen anything like it in my entire career. Usually you have to look for the opportunities. They're like, they say follow the money. You don't have to follow the money anymore. The money is everywhere. There is so much money and so much liquidity in this market and so much action that no matter where you're looking, there's opportunities. And it's being proven time and time again as the moderators in True Trading Group and our team and our group of professional traders is going on the most unbelievable tear that I've ever seen in my entire life. You're talking about there's 9 professional traders that are with you every single day inside of True Trading Group, that share their screens with you, that talk to you live on the microphone, that tell you where their orders are, what stocks they're buying, what stocks they're shorting. And you get real-time push notifications when their orders actually execute. We collectively as a group have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%. Now going on roughly the last 4 years. But what has taken place in the last 3 months is unprecedented. It's unlike anything I've ever seen. We set a record in True Trading Group in the month of October when we had 20 triple-digit gains traded and alerted inside of the community for our members and executed by our moderators. That was the best we've ever had. Then we shattered that record in November when we had 28 triple-digit gains alerted inside of the community. And here we sit now on December 28th with 1 day to go, and we have 27 in the month of December. That takes us to a grand total of 75 triple-digit gains in the fourth quarter. That is absolutely insane. And now some people that are watching this live stream may be thinking to themselves, there's no way. There's no freaking way that you guys have had 75 triple-digit gain trade alerts inside of chat. And never mind, no way you had 75. There's no way that all of your members are able to take advantage of it because they have full-time jobs. They're not in front of their computers. Well, guess what? The overwhelming majority of these trades have been swing trades. We had 3 triple-digit gains yesterday, all 3 swing trades. You had another one today, swing trade. And it wasn't just 100% gain or 150% gain. It was a 300% gain today. That was a swing trade executed by Uni on ARM. 324% to be exact on the final take profit. In at around 73 cents on the call option, out at $3.10. 324% gain. Don't take my word for it, because if there's people that are on here that are not members, then obviously you're not inside of our community. You're not inside of chat. You're not using the mobile app that's on your phone where you're getting the real-time notifications when our mods enter and exit their positions. That's all you need is a phone. That's why so many people are coming back to True Trading Group, because they're realizing that, wow, I have a cell phone. I could get a notification during the day and I can look at it and say, oh, wow, look, they just bought call options on this stock. They can log into their Robinhood account, their Webull, their Thinkorswim. They can log in on their phone and they can say, you know what? I'm going to buy a call option. I'm going to set a stop loss. I'm going to put my phone down. Then the next day, they get another notification that says they just took profit. Then they log in, they take some profit, they set their stop loss, they put their phone back down. 3 hours later, they get another message on their phone, just took more profit. Log in, take profit, put their phone down. That's what it takes. And people are now starting to realize this. We've had 150 people come back to True Trading Group just this week alone. 32 just yesterday. 32 people that used to once be members of True Trading Group during the COVID pandemic came back to True Trading Group yesterday. 150 this week alone. And it's because they're realizing they can do this now while working a full-time job. They thought during COVID, I had to be in front of my computer. You don't. And I'll prove that to you firsthand. Members of True Trading Group that are actually on this live stream, I'd like you guys to do me a favor. If you're a member and you're on this stream, I would like for you to simply answer this question. If you are making money while working a full-time job, I'd like for you to type the number 1 in chat and tell me what you do for a living. Again, just type the number 1 if you're making money and tell me what you guys do for a living. Now, the people that are here that are not a member, pay very close attention to the comments that you're about to see. See if maybe there's somebody in here that does the same thing for a living as you do. You are a teacher, you're a construction worker, you're a police officer. You don't think that you have the time to do this. Well, pay attention to the comments and see if there's someone that maybe does what you do. Auto mechanic, boat mechanic, truck driver, a banquet captain, software engineer. Heather Hill is now retired and a full-time trader thanks to True Trading Group. Carpenter, electrician, a barber, nuclear procurement engineer. Kaibo, how are you, brother? Hope you're doing well. Landscape and garden center owner, a computer guy and technical editor. Just read some of these comments that are coming through. An accounting rep. So these are people that all have very busy schedules. Architect. They work over 40 hours a week. They're not glued to their computer screen, not staring at charts all day long. A trial lawyer and a restaurant owner. You want to talk about excuses? How about being a lawyer and also owning a restaurant? Where's that free time? Where's that person's time to sit in front of a computer? It doesn't exist. Yes, Bob Walker just retired. Congratulations, Bob. Bob says, no clock for net, no clock anymore. I just retired. Great job, Bob. B. John's a firefighter. Thomas, another truck driver. Thomas, how many hours a day you on the road, brother? 14 hours a day, maybe? 14 hours a day? Where's the time that you have to be sitting in front of a computer screen? Guys, the fact of the matter is you don't. All you need, there's swing surgeon, a paramedic. There's Hope. Oh, Hope, welcome back. Hope is surgeon. I remember you here from yesterday's live stream. All you need is this. You could have gotten an alert on your phone yesterday that said, oh, they just bought call options on ARM. You could have logged in, bought some call options on ARM, set a stop loss. Always set the stop loss, okay, in case something crazy happens. Paralegal, made just shy of my yearly salary this year. Hopefully full-time trader soon. Drew Lawson, that's incredible. Congratulations, my brother. I'm so damn happy for you. So Drew has just doubled up his income. So Drew's a paralegal and just made shy of his yearly salary this year trading. Congratulations. Doubled up his income. Congratulations, Drew. Full-time trader soon, brother. Full-time trader soon. Ooh, the salty bear. The salty bear. Listen, okay? Very, very big misconception, okay? The salty bear says any TTG members with less than 25K in their accounts seeing success because alerts are nearly impossible to follow without being marked PDT rule. That is not true, okay? If you are, first of all, you are only going to be hit by PDT rule if you have a margin account. If you have a cash account, you are not bound by the PDT rule. And if you're trading options, you do not need more than 25K in buying power because the option prices are very small. You don't need that much buying power. So if you have less than 25K in your account, which many of our members do, you use a cash account and you trade options, and the option settlement is the next day for options. So you do not need a margin account in order to do that, Salty Bear. So you have the wrong account type. Drop to a cash account, switch to a cash account, and you can trade options without being hit by the PDT rule. And I'll prove this to you right now, Salty Bear, that members that have less than 25K in their account are doing well. Guys, if you have less than 25K in your account and you guys are doing well, you're having success, type the number 1 inside of chat right now. If you have less than 25K, okay, you started with less than 25K in your account and you guys are having success, type the number 1 inside chat right now. The Salty Bear, just pay attention to the comments that are coming through. Listen, I get your comment. It's a very common misconception that people have, but it really is, you're really limiting yourself if that's the way that you're thinking. If somebody maybe might have told you that previously, or you might have read it somewhere on Reddit maybe or something like that, but it's not true. This is why it's important for you to understand all the different types of accounts and the different types of trades and the different regulations that are involved with each. But you can see how many people are typing number 1. These are people that have less than 25K in their account, and yet they're now having success. So you don't need 25K, tens of thousands of dollars in order to be successful. You don't. Now, if you want to trade shares of NVIDIA and Tesla, then yes, you need a margin account. You need that buying power, but not if you're trading options. Wild Child only keeps $1,000 in her account and trades options every day. And then whatever the profit is over $1,000, she takes it out and pays herself because she only needs that $1,000 to trade the options because she's only putting 500, 600, 700 bucks into a trade and then catching 20, 30, 40, 100% gain on the option. There you go. There's Ant. See, there's Ant. Ant says, I keep $5,000 in my account and I pull the money out as I pull profits out. So Ant will start with 5,000 bucks. If the end of the month he's at 6,000, he takes $1,000 out, starts back at 5K. You don't need the PDT 25K, right? You don't need it. So this is very, very important. And this is what I'm talking about. So like Salty Bear, this is a really good example. People are beginning to realize what's possible. There you go. Here, my account started with 250 bucks. Username here to learn. But people have this misconception. They have this misconception with, thinking that, I can't do this because I'm working a full-time job, or I can't do this because I don't have 25K. You don't need it. There's different types of trading styles and trading strategies, right? Look there. There's Susie. Susie keeps $1,200 in her account. Today it's at 2K. So she's going to be pulling $800 out to pay herself. Heather Hill starts with 400. Heather Hill's amazing. Heather Hill starts with a $400 account. She grows to 10K and she starts back to 400. Heather, call in. Heather, if you're not doing anything, if you're not busy, call Adam. Call Adam, give her a phone number. Let her. There's Juno Me started with $300, is now at $3,500. Sunshine wants to know how I can become a member. I'll share that information with you. Heather, if you're not busy, Heather, if you want to call in, just give Adam a call and see if maybe you can hop on and just talk to people about the small account, because you are the queen of small accounts. Heather has turned a $400 account to 10K and she's done it like 10 times. So she's the queen of small accounts. And it'd be wonderful if you have the time, if you want to call into Adam and we can maybe pop you up, pop up the audio and Adam can put the phone on and we can have a conversation for members. That would be great. All right. That would be great if we can do that. Here to Learn made over 300% on ARM option. That's a $480 gain, all with my small account. Great job. Great job. Really great job. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And guys, I want to make sure you guys understand that we're fully transparent. We're an open book inside of True Trading Group. So we do verify all of our members' claims. So if a member makes a claim, we don't just come on here and just take it for gospel. We actually do verify and have these people send us their accounts so we can confirm the results that they're claiming. I don't want to mislead anybody. And I don't want to tell you that you'll join True Trading Group at $100 and you'll make $100,000 in 30 days, because that's not realistic. And you should not think that. Anybody that tells you that that's realistic is completely full of crap, and you should run the other way as far back as you can, as far away as you can. But when we have members that make, outlandish claims, we do verify them, we confirm them. We have those members send us proof and verify it. So anything that I bring to your attention.
Yo, Michael.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I got Heather on the phone.
Oh, nice. She did call in. Heather, how are you?
I called her and begged.
Ah!
Heather, you there?
I am here.
Hi. I think that people, I think this is good because now people know that you're not a made up person.
Yes.
I'm on a delay.
No, you gotta, no. You're actually ahead now. You gotta turn off your YouTube.
Okay. I just muted it.
Yeah. So
Perfect.
now.
But now I can hear Mike, so I can only hear you.
No, Mike, say something.
Hey, Heather.
I could barely hear him.
Oh, well,
Barely hear him. But yes. Hi guys. How are you?
Heather, do me a favor, just briefly, you don't have to get too into it at all, but just briefly maybe explain like what it is that you're doing. Because I think a lot of people like can relate to starting with a couple $100 or feeling like, that it's not possible to do this with a couple $100 and you do it, like consistently you do it.
So back, I don't even remember when it was. Seems like a lifetime ago when we started the small account challenge. I think it was this past summer. And I was just like, you know what? I'm not going to, or maybe it was fall. I don't know. But we started the small account challenge with one of the boot camps. And, I was just like, I'm going to keep this going. I'm going to challenge myself every day. This is what I'm going to do. So I start with $400. I build it up to 10 grand and I pull it out and start over again, or transfer it, or, buy long-term equities or what have you. But it's been a whirlwind, challenging myself on the daily, trying to find the best setups to accomplish what I want. And it's been nice doing it and learning. For me, I'm a visual person, so I learn by doing it myself. Like, it's great that the mods are there, that you can follow the mods and different things along that line. But, it's learning to do it yourself, which is the ultimate goal. And I still have my bad days and my good days and yada, yada. But I trade mostly 0 DTE, sometimes out of the money, which I know is a no-no. But
it works for you. I mean,
it does.
It's not whatever you're doing. It's not a matter of you just getting lucky, because you're too consistent for that to just be a luck thing at this point.
Yeah, and it's been trial and error too, because I've been trying different ways of doing things, and that's why I haven't been too open as far as what I'm doing. Because, I really take some risks in trying different, ideas and different ways to accomplish my goals. And, if that doesn't work, then we take that off the list and we keep moving. But, that's why I only start with $400 in that account, because it's, you can start small and work your way up. But, luckily I've got the ability to challenge myself that way. And I'm, I have other accounts too. I have multiple accounts.
Yeah.
So,
but when you do the 0 DTE or the options trading that you do, you definitely are just, you're not using margin or anything. I mean, you're just using the cash account.
Oh, just cash. Yeah. No margin, just cash. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I to use margin at that small of amount, it's not really worth it. To me anyway.
Yeah. I mean, essentially what you're doing is you are like super fine tuning your trader identity.
Correct. Is that the course we started the small account challenge in?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I don't either. But yeah, no, it's been, and that's why I've been trying to fine tune it. So, you know, if and when I become a mod, I'm not teaching the wrong things, and I fine tune my little aspect of it.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
look, I don't look. Here's the thing. I think that, and I think Mike would agree with it. I think when people go into something like zero DTE, like willy nilly, and just kind of like throw caution to the wind, then that's gambling. That's dangerous. You got a pretty good system. You're starting with like $400. I mean, if you're able to, if you're starting with $400, if you take a loss or something doesn't work for you, it's not going to make you homeless.
No,
it's still a learning experience at that point.
Correct. And I'm challenging myself to find these little niches that I can get into. So, and that's what I love, is to find new and different things, kind of like in the AI sector that you do. It's finding the niches that will make you profitable. So, which is amazing. And it works really well.
Are you trading primarily the SPY or stocks or?
So today I did a SPY, I did an ETF, and I did a stock. I did 3.
Mm-hmm. What would you say to somebody that says, Heather, you're just gambling? How would you answer that?
Well, it depends on what the mentality of the question is and who it comes from. But
let's assume it's coming from somebody that's just being rude and trying to undermine. I'm just saying, because I know that it's not just gambling. It's not possible for it to be just gambling, because what you're doing is too effective to have that. Right.
Yeah. And it's figuring, well, yes, in the beginning it was not. I mean, going back and forth, I didn't really have any major losses because I had $400 into it, but, or 200 or 100 or what have you. But it was figuring out, these little niches that I've been trying to work on so I can fine tune them, like you said, and then we can turn around and maybe implement those at some point later on if I can actually narrow it down. And that's why when everybody's asking me questions, I'm just like, no, I'm not ready to discuss this yet. We're not going to go into this right now. But yes, my goal is to fine tune this and to actually, and I'm still learning. I learn something new every day. And I do that always. That is my goal. And I write it in my trading journal. What's something new I can learn every day. And I'm not going to let that go. So there's always something new.
When you started True Trading Group, you had a job, right?
I owned 2 businesses when I started.
You owned 2 businesses when you started?
Yeah.
And now you are retired?
Correct. Thanks to you guys.
Well, you did the work.
Absolutely. Thanks to you guys. I actually learned and traded and profited to where I felt comfortable to finally retire.
That is awesome.
So awesome. So awesome.
I use you as an example all the time with people with small accounts. Hey, how are you?
Oh, there it is again.
Oh, really?
You're in front of like 1,000 people.
Yeah, great.
That is not my mother. This is my office. This is the woman that manages the office. Yeah, she is early, because I think someone's gonna think like, oh, I'm in the basement, like, or
Ma, the meatloaf.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Always when you're on live, Adam. Always.
She don't give a shit. She just comes. She's like, I'm gonna change your garbage. I don't care what you're doing.
I'm waiting for her to come in there just with a vacuum on and
she doesn't even need. It's not even her job to change the garbage. She just she's the building manager. She's not even supposed to change the garbage.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
that is so cool.
Anyways, so I think it's absolutely awesome, and I use you as an example all the time. When somebody says, I got a small account, I don't know what to do, and I'm just like, listen, there's this person named Heather, and she's in chat all the time. And this woman takes $400 or $500, turns it into 10 grand, pays herself, and then just repeats the process over and over and over again. That's what she does. And I was like,
yes.
And you know what? And she doesn't have to. Like, she's obviously made enough money to where if she wanted to do work above PDT, then she could, but this is what works for her, and she stuck to it regardless of the success. And I think a lot of people, what they do is they find a little bit of success, or they hit on a couple of good trades, and then they try and like double, triple, quadruple down on it, and end up losing their ass.
You lose every time.
Yeah, and you've really seems like you've really taken the emotions out of it.
You have to. There's no other way to trade if you don't have emotion. I mean, that's all I trade. D trader is options usually. So, but yes, it is. You have to be just. You get up. It's a routine. The routine is what helps me get up, look at the news, look at the charts. It's once you do it repetitively every day, there's no emotions in it. I mean, yes, people get excited that, something went higher, or get upset that something went lower, or what have you. But I mean, it's really got to be zero emotions. It really has to be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you just got to become numb. It's a numbers game.
That's right.
That's all it is.
That's right.
That is awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, it's been exciting. And thanks to you guys. I mean, I love to challenge myself. I do it every day. And I do have multiple accounts. So I have a long-term account. Every time I withdraw, I buy a couple more long-term equities. And then, I have another account that's over 25 that I trade as well. I've got a swing trading account. It just depends.
I'm not going to be able to pay you enough to where it's going to make sense for you to ever want to.
That's okay, because it's fun. This is fun. If you're not having fun, you should not be doing this.
I agree with that too.
Literally. 100%. It's like anything you do in your life. It's with your job. It's with, if you're not having fun, you need to reevaluate. And this is fun. You have to learn it. And once you learn it, you understand it, then it becomes fun. In the beginning, it can be challenging. We've all been there. And we don't know who to believe or where to go. And that's why a lot of people end up with TTG, because other sites have put a bad taste in their mouth.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's what's amazing. It is fun. It's got to be fun.
Mike, we have to take a loan to get Heather on board. Anyways, that is awesome. Sorry. Heather, how long does it typically take you to go from 400 to 10 grand?
The shortest time, obviously, you've seen was 2 days. And the longest, I would say, probably back in the beginning.
Did you say two? Wait. Did you say 2 days?
Yeah, that's the one you put up on the live stream.
Yeah, that was awesome.
It was like 174,000% or something like that. It was crazy.
Was it AMC? Just kidding.
No.
What was the trade?
What was the trade?
I don't even remember.
Oh my God, you're kidding? I would frame that.
No, because now I'm in the process of trying to beat it. There's no other way about it. And I would say the longest was probably 4 weeks to do it.
Holy crap. So between two, yeah, Mike just said, like, that sounds so fake. I know it's not, but it sounds really fake.
I know, to think someone can do that in just a matter of 2 days, it's insane.
I sent you the picture.
I know.
No, I know. We verified it.
We know it's real.
Verified it.
Like, if you're watching this and you're listening to you, it's, like, imagine somebody that's out there with like $500 in their trading account, and they're like, right. What? You turned 500, and you didn't buy a penny stock. You didn't bet on some crypto coin, like no. You didn't do, you know what I'm saying? Like, that would be my first thought was like, okay, like, well, what's, anyways, but no, I know it's real. Mike knows it's real. We've seen it, we've seen what you've done. That, 2 days is obviously not typical of anything.
God, no.
But yeah, everyone's saying Heather needs to be the next mod. Yeah, we know, guys, we know.
It was, it was 0 DT. I was way out of the money and went way into the money. So I can't say, The planning was there. The trade was there. It just was an extreme of a day. So it worked out. I did have to hold it overnight, but I was just like, okay.
I wouldn't have slept.
I was a mess. I was a mess. I was absolutely a mess. When they say don't go to sleep holding, you'll not get any sleep. I didn't. I was too excited to see what it was going to continue to do the next day. So
yeah,
it worked out.
Jimmy Parnell says, big deal, Heather. I've turned $1,000 into zero in minutes.
Wow. You know what? I think I've done that as well.
How did you hold zero DTE overnight if it expires that day?
No, that one wasn't a zero DTE. That's what I normally do. That one wasn't a zero DTE.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to go. Yeah, that one was not. But I did hold it overnight and got lucky on that one. It wasn't luck. I still would have made money, but it continued to fly. So I was just like, I'm letting it go. Bye. I'm going to walk away and pretend I'm not even watching it. I'm going to go do something else.
That is so cool.
Yeah. And that's one thing I'll do. I'll get up and walk the dogs. I'm always, somebody will ask me a question, I miss it because I'll be gone. And, get up and walk the dogs and come back real quick or do something because to me, that's an effective way to manage my emotions and not get caught up and follow the levels.
Yeah. Because
it's too hard. But, for me, my biggest issue is when there aren't any levels anymore. If they're reaching these all-time highs and not having anything to trade off of, there's just nothing to go off of. And that's the hardest problem I have. So, Andrew, thank you, doll.
Yeah. Heather, you are awesome. I know I put you on the spot here today and I appreciate you taking your time to come on here. I'm going to let you go. And Heather, thank you so much, dude. And if I don't talk to you, happy New Year and congratulations on your success.
Happy New Year, guys. I cannot wait to see what this New Year is going to bring for all of us. It's going to be a blast.
Thank you, Heather.
Thank you, Heather.
Bye, guys.
Bye. She's killing it.
She really is.
And I get it. Like zero DTE is super risky, and it's like, yeah, a lot of it can be gambling, and but at the same time, like, when you consistently hit over and over and over, and you're being, and you have like a system that works where you're only starting with 400, I think there's a right. I mean, look, there's a right way and a wrong way to do things.
I mean, listen, she found her style. She found her strategy that works for her. I mean, like one of our other moderators, Gio has been a professional trader for 25 years. He was a former market maker. So it's as professional as it gets. He trades zero DTE on the SPY, but he's a scalper and he implements that trading style. And he's not in the trade long enough for the time decay of a zero DTE to affect his positions. That's his trading style. So he wants maximum leverage and maximum volatility for when he's right. You can get 100% gain in the blink of an eye on a zero DTE SPY option that can go from 20 cents to 40 cents in the blink of an eye, 20 cents to 60 cents in literally 2 minutes. And you can get 200% gain on those zero DTEs. So it's not necessarily that it's gambling. It's calculated risk is really what it is. It's understanding this is the risk that I have on the trade, positioning yourself accordingly for it. And if your style and your strategy, if that's what it calls for, then that's what it calls for and you go for it. Now, you're going to take losses of greater than, you're not going to make a losing trade on a zero DTE and only lose 10%, right? You're going to lose 40, 50%. Okay. Sometimes even more, but when you're right, you're going to make 100, 200, 300%. So it's all about position. It's all relative. It's all about position sizing. It's all about what works for you. Now, I don't trade zero DTEs because that's just not my style. It's not my strategy, but you don't have to trade the way that I trade. Like the thing about Trade Trading Group is there's 9 professional traders with you as moderators. We all have different styles. And it's important for you to see those different styles and be exposed to it so you can see what style vibes best with you. There's 2 things that are going to affect your trader identity the most. A, how much time are you actually in front of a computer? And B, your personality type. Those 2 things will impact what trading style is most ideal for you. Now, a lot of people struggle because they try to fit a square peg into a round hole for years. They see some trader on YouTube make 10 grand in 10 minutes and they think that's the only way to do it. And they try to do that over and over and over again without any success. If your personality is going to give you strengths and weaknesses just within your personality. And those strengths and weaknesses will roll into strengths and weaknesses in trading. So you have to be implementing a style and a strategy that's going to fit that. Not only that, but also the amount of time that you have to be in front of a computer. This is all stuff that I went over in my trader psychology boot camp that I did with members. We had the trader identity boot camp. This is all stuff that we covered during that stuff. That's the most important part of trading. It's not charts. I can teach you very easily how to read charts. I can teach you very easily what a grade A setup looks like. I can teach you very easily what, hey, this chart looks like stock's going to go up or down. But that's not what makes trading hard. What makes trading hard is what Heather was referring to, is how to actually keep emotions out of your decision-making entirely. Because once you allow emotions to creep into your decision-making, you're dead. You make decisions with emotions, you make mistakes. When you make mistakes, you lose money. There's a reason why computers are better at this than we are, because computers have no emotion whatsoever. It's based on math. It's based on commands. A computer will react when a specific price is hit, regardless of what's going on around the world in the markets. If the candle is red, if the candle is green, if the price is triggered, the computer is going to act without emotion. Humans cannot resist the greed and the fear of making and losing money. A computer can. You have to be able to keep those emotions out of your decision making, and we will teach you and show you how to do that, as well as helping you find your strategy, as well as helping you read the charts and put yourself in the best possible situations with the highest probability of success. And that is how people like Heather are able to find the success that they're having, that are able to accomplish these incredible feats, like turning a $400 account to $10,000, doing that multiple times, retiring, quitting their job, trading full time. This is how people are able to do this. How many people are on this live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group? Type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Just type TTG if you are not a member. If you're not a member, type TTG, please. Just go ahead, guys. I want to see who's on here. Obviously, I know we have a lot of members, but if you're not, can you guys just type TTG? I want to see who we have here. Oh, Salty Bear. Excellent. You're still here too. Salty Bear, I'm actually really happy that you're still here. Sanite, KM Sari, we've got Joe Martino. So we've got a handful of people here that are not members. Just go ahead and keep typing TTG, guys, if you guys are not part of the community. I want to see who we've got here. Okay. All right, sweet. All right, so guys, so here's the deal, okay? Here's a deal that we've got cooking. All right. Here's the deal.
It's my fault.
It definitely is your fault. You want to explain it, or
No.
you're gonna make me explain it?
Yeah.
Even though it's your fault.
Huh?
Even though it's your fault, you make me explain it.
I've done a lot today.
I know. We'll let it slide.
So, I mean, I don't think anyone here is going to mind, but just, you know what? Honestly, my opinion, best thing to do, leave it there till
You kind of have to now. Yeah, you got to leave it there until New Year's.
Right. We're out of, we don't have any laptops, so it doesn't matter. I'm not going to be
true.
I'm not going to be able to get any between now and then anyways.
That's true. Look at M. I'm pretty sure that's username in chat, Mitma. But M, their account.
No, I don't think that is Mitma.
I think it is Mitma.
I don't know, and that's a big claim. And if it is Mitma, then I know that it's real. But if it isn't, I'm not sure that that's real.
I think it's Mitma.
I don't know.
Maybe they can comment if it is Mitma. But saying their account is up 858% since joining.
I think that's Marcy. I think Joe's right. If that's Marcy, then it's also real. No, not
No, so not Mitma. So it's not Mitma. So then maybe it's this is not.
right. Mitma.
Oh, there's Mitma. There she is.
Completely different.
There she is. Okay. Mitma is here also. Okay. Mitma, I'm sorry about that. So it's not Mitma. So maybe it's yeah, that M is not Mitma. There they are. Okay. It's funny because
Is that difficult for people to believe? Yeah, it is difficult for people to believe.
I know.
Because all people know is that you can lose money and be taken advantage of by YouTube finance gurus.
Exactly.
So yeah, it's 100%. Like there are people on here, like absolutely, you know, that it is hard to believe. Everyone knows that you can lose money trading, but you know, it's hard for people to believe that you can actually really make money trading. It's not easy. It's not like, you know, whatever, but it's, you know, it's definitely possible.
For sure. Obviously, as you've seen all these people that are commenting, it's better if you guys.
I thought all these people were fake.
Yeah, it's better if you guys just to listen to what members are actually saying instead of what I'm saying. To be honest with you.
Oh shit! She sent. Yeah. Huh.
She just sent you proof.
Yeah, I know who this is now. Hang on.
Because, like, obviously, what am I going to say on this live show? What I'm going to say? Everyone's losing money. It's terrible. No, right? Of course, I'm going to say. So it's better if you see actual.
So she's watching us on her phone right now.
Ah, that's so awesome! Wow, look at that! Look at that! 826%. That's so incredible.
Oh, it's Michelle.
Oh,
okay.
I didn't know. Real. I didn't know the M. Yeah. So
yeah, Michelle. It's real.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. There's the screen. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Like when we have a member that makes a claim like that, we ask them to verify it. So I don't want to put anything on here that's misleading or inaccurate or untrue. So we verify when people make, you know, outlandish claims. But this is what's possible. This is what's out there. There's a reason why 78% of our members stay with us. We have a 78% retention rate. That means people have either renewed their membership or they just went on to become lifetime members of our community. 78%. You got to think about if you went through an entire year membership with True Trading Group and you made no money, you had no success, you just learned nothing, it was a total waste of your time. Would you renew your membership?
Yeah, why not?
Right. Of course you wouldn't. Right. So why are 78% of our members doing that?
Because you have awesome eyebrows and I'm super nice to everyone all the time. It's because we do, you know, yeah, I think that's why. Your eyebrows and I'm just a peach all the time.
You are a peach. A little peach fuzz.
Mm.
You are. Look at that facial hair. That's a little peach fuzz.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it only took me 39 years, you know?
That's okay. Hey, man, better late than never.
Mm.
So I had a full beard by the time I was probably
4.
4. I was 4 years old. I had a beard like this. This is as full of a beard as it gets, man. There's no bald spots in here. This is just straight Italian beard.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, listen, I'll explain to you guys. So this is what it's Adam's fault. So Adam was supposed to change the price, but got too caught up today. I mean, honestly, to be fair, Adam and I have been extremely busy getting a lot of things ready for 2024. We have a lot of things planned for the community, for the platform. So he did not change the price.
I don't think anyone's going to care.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to care either. But he didn't change the price. The price was supposed to go up today, but it's still the old price.
We'll just move it to $1,500 on January 1st.
On January 1st. Yeah, so our holiday sale was running. We actually gave people a very special discount the other day because of a member or a viewer that was on here that kind of shared a heartfelt story, and we were inclined to kind of help that person out, and we gave them a very special discount. And
we also didn't have laptops. So.
Yeah, we also didn't have laptops, so which we still don't have laptops. So anyone that wants to join True Trading Group, you guys can actually get a ridiculous discount. It's the cheapest price we've ever offered True Trading Group membership for on this live stream, actually the entire year. And that is a 61% discount. It brings the price, which is normally $2,212 for the year. It drops it all the way down to $850. And all you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com and then use this coupon code. You have to manually type this code in yourself. TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down to $850. Every item that you see on that page is included for the $850. There's no upsell or additional cost for anything you see on that page. This includes our 22-course curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned, the training that I received working at the fund in New York. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, just those two items. Like if you wanted Benzinga Pro and their congressional trading data, you go to Benzinga directly, you're going to spend over $1,000 a year. You can get that included when you join us for $850. You get TradingView's premium charting software, the trade ideas scanners on our platform for you guys to use, all of our AI trading assistants and all of our AI trading tools, our proprietary scanner to let you create custom scans, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data. All of it is included when you guys join your trading group for the $850 for the entire year. This is why we were a finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. It's because we are the first program and the first platform to take the industry-leading trading tools and resources that would normally cost you $5,000 to $6,000, which is the reason why most retail traders don't use them. Professionals do, but retail traders don't because they're so expensive. Who's going to spend $5,000, $6,000 a year if you're not yet a successful trader? That's a big investment to make. So we've brought all of these tools under one roof. We've worked deals with these companies. You get access to this stuff on our platform, and you can get a 61% discount because it's normally $2,200. But from now until January 1st, literally New Year's, the ball drop, the price jumps to $1,500. So if you guys want to grab it for $850, you can do so. Just go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops $850 and you're good to go. And I will get rid of any last shred of doubt that anyone has on this live stream. Because when you join True Trading Group, I offer you a double your money back guarantee. I stand behind this platform. I believe so strongly in what we've created and its ability to help you reach your goals. And I want to prove that to you by putting my own money where my mouth is. If you join True Trading Group right now, or at any point over the next couple of days before the year is over, you'll pay $850 to join. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group. You have the entire year to do those three things. You don't have to do it all in like 30 days. You have the whole year, go at your own pace. If you do those things and you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $850 fee that you're paying to join, we will give you back double your money. That's $1,700. I'm dead serious.
Mike, how can you do that?
Allow me to explain. The reason why I can give you guys a double your money back guarantee, it's simply, honestly, just the math. The math works because our refund rate.
It's simply math. Don't question it.
Math. The refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. So since it's less than 2.5%, we can do it. If our refund rate was 10% or 12%, we would not be able to offer you guys double your money back. But since it's less than 2.5%, we can. And considering 78% of our members renew, that also allows us to give you guys that double your money back guarantee.
In fairness, a lot of them renew because we're a cult.
Because we're a cult.
Yeah.
Understood. Or they've just gone on to become lifetime members. So you guys can just go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code. Salty Bear says, are we able to split the payment or does it have to be one payment? No, Salty Bear, it is one payment for the whole year. We do take PayPal credit though. PayPal credit, I believe, lets you pay it off over 6 months, interest-free.
Yep.
I believe, Salty Bear. So we do accept PayPal credit if you'd rather use PayPal credit, and then you can just pay back PayPal over 6 months. But it is a one-time payment. So we do allow that PayPal credit as a payment option for True Trading Group. Okay, so you guys can definitely do that. But go to ttgoffer.com and use that code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops $850. It'll be $1,500 on January 1st. If you have any questions at all, just text us. We're fully transparent, guys. We're an open book. 1-888-306-8783. Again, that phone number, if you guys have questions or you're having a hard time signing up, text us 1-888-306-8783. Salty Bear, I respect your participation on the live. I really do. And I hope that you do join, because I'm looking forward to trading. You seem like a really nice person. Looking forward to trading with you, and obviously, getting you on the right path, because obviously I see that you've been kind of caught up with the PDT rule, and there are ways around that, my friend. And we're going to get you going in the right path with the right account type and the right trading style and the right trades that are going to be best suited for you to give you a real shot at reaching the level of success that you're striving for. And I'm looking forward to it. I really am. So hopefully you do join. All right. So again, the phone number to text, if you guys have any questions, is 1-888-306-8783.
All right. Well, we are going to do some cash giveaways after the stream. Inside of the study hall, I'm supposed to give a password.
Okay.
So that people can get in there. I'm going to go ahead and give out that password now. Hang on a second. Just need to make sure that I got the right one, baby. I don't know why I did that.
I don't know why I did it either, but
I'm shot, bro.
I'm with it though. I'm all for it.
I am shot. Yo, I love Upgrade Jeff.
Upgrade Jeff is awesome.
Let me tell you something. He started off as generic Jeff.
Generic Jeff. Yeah.
And yo, I love him.
Yeah, great dude.
Anyway.
Yo, Money Trades, what's up, man? Hope you're doing well. Haven't seen you in a while.
All right. Hang on.
I'm hanging. So you're giving a password right now for the giveaways? Oh, man.
Hang on. I'll give it to you right now. All right. This is the password. Joe, can you put that up on the screen, please? Guys, this password is case sensitive. Case sensitive does not mean that it is sensitive towards court cases. It means that uppercase versus lowercase. So as you see it on the screen, that is how you enter it. There are no spaces. There are no spaces in this password. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter the password exactly as you see it. All one word, free feet picks. All one word, all lowercase. All right? That's what you're going to do. And then if you do that correctly,
maybe you're going to get free feet picks as part of the giveaway. Who knows?
No, bro, you got to stop that.
It's the password.
Yeah, it's just to bait them to come in. Yeah, I can't actually give away my free feet picks.
Yeah, I mean that's your pride and joy. That's your bread basket. That's your bread.
Dude, I don't make any money here.
It's your money maker. It's your cash cow.
Yeah, I literally have to sell those pictures in order to pay for my kids' school.
I understand.
Yeah, don't undermine it. Anyways,
each their own.
All lowercase, which means little letters. All one word, which means no spaces.
Little letters. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That's for the cash. We're doing some cash giveaways with members. Why? I don't know, because it's fun. So we're doing some cash giveaways with members after the live stream. Inside of the study hall, you need that password in order to get in there. Free feet picks, no spaces, all lowercase. And like Adam said, that means little letters.
And no spaces.
And no spaces.
Somebody says, hi, my name is Flo. And did not just put 2 dots after it. Said, do you have a trial? We do have a trial. However, if you do the trial you're going to pay $1,420 at the cheapest. I would not do the trial right now. For the sake of $850, sign up. You get a double your money back guarantee.
For sure.
Do that instead.
Yeah, because if like Adam said, if you guys do the trial, you can do the trial, but
trust me, if you want to do the trial and you're cool with spending more money later, awesome. Nobody loves your money more than I love your money.
Yeah.
But we'll push the trial in the new year a lot because we want people to come in. We're going to charge more money. But now would not be the time for the trial.
Yeah, because you can join for $850 now. If you do the trial and then decide you want to join after your trial, it's going to be over $1,400. So, I mean, for the sake of, that's a big difference. So you can do the $850 now, and then it comes with a double your money back guarantee, which I really don't think you need, considering our refund rate is less than 2.5%. But it's there to give you peace of mind, and it's there to hold us accountable. Again, if you can't make the $850 back at least one time, if you can't have enough winning trades to equal that $850, we'll give you guys back the $1,700. The refund policy is right there on our checkout page in black and white. You guys can go read it for yourselves. But that's how we put our money where our mouth is, and that's how we prove to you how much we believe in the product and the platform that we've created. And again, if you guys have any questions, just text us 1-888-306-8783.
Yeah, if you do the trial, you're most likely going to sign up anyways, and you're going to be pissed that you have to pay more money.
Absolutely.
The trial is really good just to show people that we're not full of crap.
Yeah.
The trial is not meant for you to sign up and make $1 million. Yeah, I'm sleepy. I got nothing else, Michael.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Are you going to are you doing the giveaway now? Or
yeah, I'm in the room. There's only 81 people in there, so I assume a lot of people are using big letters and lots of spaces. You got to use small letters and no spaces. Free feet pics.
Am I wrapping this up right now?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. All right. So here, this is what I'll do. Actually, what I'll do is members, you guys can start heading into the study hall so Adam can do the cash giveaway with you guys. For the rest of you that are interested in the membership, I'll actually show you the platform real quick, just so you guys can see what you're actually getting by joining for the $850, because it is an all-inclusive membership. So you're going to get our chat room, obviously, which is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time, answering questions. We are with you for the entire session. We're with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're not gone after an hour and you'll have to fend for yourself. You got the mobile app on your cell phone that will give you guys real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit their trades. You got 2 small private study group sessions to help speed up your learning curve, Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed and congressional trading data. So you guys can get up to the second breaking news, follow along with trades that are being placed by members of Congress. Just that alone is over $1,000 a year. If you went to Benzinga directly, it's included when you join us for the $850. You're going to get TradingView's premium charting software, which is worth like $600 a year on its own. If you went there directly, you're going to get the Trade Ideas scanner that streams on our platform, so you guys can be focused on the hottest stocks during the day. You're going to be able to use a simulator that will let you practice trading with fake money, but real-time data. Then you'll also be able to use our own proprietary scanner, let you create all custom scans. You're going to get unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow, short data. It's all included when you guys join. Very expensive data if you were to pay for it on your own. It's all included when you join. A trading journal to track your trades for you, social sentiment scanner, tell you what's being talked about most on social media. All of our AI trading tools, stock profile tool with all analyst ratings, a watch list from the mods every day with detailed exit and entry points on the stocks that we're focused on. All of our courses, which is a simplified version of the training that I received working at the fund in New York, is beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. It's all included when you guys join. There's no additional upsell or extra cost for these courses. They're all included when you guys join the community. Then you will also be getting a video library that has over 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. And you can start attending these workshops actually live when you guys become a full-time member. Now, listen, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group, and cannot make enough winning trades to equal the $850 membership fee at least one time, we will give you back $1,700. That's double your money. You guys can see the refund policies right on the checkout page, ttgoffer.com. Yes, it's real. Go read it. The price is $850 right up until the ball drop on New Year's, and then the price jumps to the $1,500. So go check it out. Go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included for the $850 only until midnight on New Year's Eve. All right. The coupon code is TTG121. You must enter it. You must click apply code. Then the price drops to $850. If you have any questions at all, if you have a tough time signing up for whatever the reason, do not hesitate. Send us a text, 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Nice casual stream. Had some fun. Members, head into the study hall. The password is no spaces, all lowercase, free feet picks. So head on in there. Adam's going to do some fun cash giveaways with people. For the rest of you, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you smash that like button and show some love. I will